Welcome to my allotment diary for the second week of July. Returning to East Sussex from our vacation in the northeast. Memories of our holiday still lingering in our minds. The luxury hotel. Relaxation in the afternoon, enjoying the shade and shelter of the spa. And the cabaret entertainment which we had every evening. What more could one want? This was a special week for us as we were celebrating our wedding anniversary. And unbeknown to my wife, I'd contacted the resident entertainer beforehand, who I knew, and it went down well. The request to play True Love Ways. Back in East Sussex, I was anxious to discover how my allotments had fared without my attentions, to be shocked by the invasion of bindweed and brambles from the boundary hedge. Clearance of these weeds was a mammoth task, not helped by the hot and sticky atmosphere we were experiencing. So, evoking the allotment rule of a little effort often, I started a clearance programme, and this is how far I cleared on the first day back. Our larder required replenishing on return, which gave opportunity to reveal my first potato harvest. I was pleasantly satisfied with the result. 2.5 kilo or 5.5 pound of Nadine, a second early potato. A second item of interest was the state of my overwintered onions, as at this weekend it is the village flower and vegetable show, and I have intentions of showing these on the day. Now I realise that these onions are an ordinary variety and not the special show onions that one sees, say, at Harrogate or Malvern. But I've loved, nurtured, fed and watered these babies for 8 months, and like any proud parent, want to show them to the world. The weed problem I'm experiencing is fortunately restricted to raised bed 8, the strawberry bed. The other beds were treated by the normal method of a weekly hoe, and I'm proud to boast this week I attained 6 hoe levels on 1 NVQ. That's not very quick, just a bit slow, which is another stint on the strawberry bed. Another 3 kilo of gooseberries were collected, which is £5 a kilo. That's another £15 saved. And then back onto the strawberry bed. You would think that out of 50 onions, one could get 3 onions the same size.
There we are,
now, my fellow potholders have shown an interest.
You've got 3 sets there that are rather lovely. I love the smaller set. You've got a beautiful finish. No, the ones at the back. But I don't know whether you've got the sides there. The ones in the middle, the bigger set, I think you've got too big a neck on those. But the ones at the front, I think, may have the biggest chance.
Just this one here, isn't it?
Yes, that is your downfall on that one.
The only one to substitute is probably that one.
Yeah, but that's still substantially smaller, isn't it?
Substantially smaller. I don't know that I've got one that's still in the...
But they are 3 lovely sets. You have done well with those onions this year.
And this being the final selection. I won! You could have knocked me down with a leak, and I was chuffed to death.
These are the prize onions. There aren't three of them, but I can't try and hold three. There we are. Count again, someone, will you, for the prize onions? Yeah. £1 I got. That £1. That £1. Do I see 110? 120? No, 110. 120, 150, 160, 170. No, 170. At £1.70. Do I see 180 anywhere? At £1.70 selling it. At £1.70.
Another first reveal this week is that of the carrots. Early Nantes. Still with some growth to go, but large enough for a boiling. One of life's pleasures, fresh carrots straight from the plot into the pot. Delicious. Another session weeding the strawberry bed. Nearing the home straight, soon be finished. It took me the remainder of the week to clear this bed, doing a little as often as I could, and there was one thing that stuck in my mind throughout the whole process, and that was I never observed one worm during the time I weeded out these pernicious roots, and that's a problem. Decision taken is that the strawberries will be replanted where the wintered onions were lifted, and bed 8 will rest. I'll put in a compost trench to encourage worms, leave it to settle, and then dress with a lasagna layer for the season 2020. Well, I hope you like this video, and I look forward to your comments, and a thumbs up would be nice. If not already done so, please subscribe and press the bell for further uploads. And welcome to my new subscribers. And therefore, till next week, bye!